Aloha, this is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. And I wanted to share with you a really good project for someone who's just getting into woodworking and wants to use some of our beautiful local Hawaiian woods. One of the great things when you have beautiful wood is, as a woodworker, your job becomes to really just to show off the beauty of the wood and get out of the way. So one of the satisfying projects you can do is something like this. So here we have a piece of opiuma, and it's nice to make something that's functional, something you can sit on at the end of the day. And here in Hawaii, where we take our shoes off before going to the house, you might want a bench right outside the front door. So with a piece like this, you can start by sanding and shaping the wood. There you'll refer to our video on the sander. And once you've shaped it and you have a shape that's pleasing to the eye, for legs, one of the things that we like to do is use this simple leg. I feel like a leg is always better if it's angled away for structure and because you get that racking support, lateral support. And also, if it tapers, I think it just adds a little bit of refinement to it that I think visually is appealing. Now with these, there's been an evolution in these legs that we make. This is the early version where the front was squared as well as the back. But a later refinement has been to angle the front, round it over, and then have the straight lines in the back. And then what we do, one of the things in our work here is we're working a lot with military who are always moving. And so making pieces of furniture that are easy to take apart and put back together is a definite advantage. So there's this block that we add. You can screw that into the leg. And then what's really great about that is then you can easily take that leg and just use 3 screws, attach the leg, and then do the same. And with a piece like this, with this irregular shape, I think you could just use 3 legs positioned something like this. Great thing about 3 legs is even on any uneven surface, it's never going to rock. And so imagine you have your 3 legs, very simple bench or end table, something satisfying. So when you're done with the project, you can have a rest on the bench you just made. So that's one simple project that you can do really in one day pretty easily. And it gives you a sense of satisfaction. And also, it's an ideal gift. Like, who doesn't need a bench for the garden or the yard? And if you'd like to discover more projects, if you have any ideas for small projects, or if you'd like any tips or advice, we got plenty of that. So please feel free to visit us here at the shop, and please subscribe to our channel.